Let's get straight to the point. You want to make more money, maybe to pay off debt, save, or just have extra cash. What if you could start a side hustle today, from your couch, with zero upfront investment, and realistically make $500 a month? Here's the secret. All you need is a laptop, internet, Canva, and ChatGPT. You don't need to be a designer or a writer. You'll use Canva for visuals and ChatGPT for text. Every day, businesses and creators need digital assets. Social posts, logos, resumes, and more. They're willing to pay for these, and you can deliver with almost no barrier to entry. Just look at Fiverr or Etsy. Thousands of regular people are making steady sales with simple digital products. The demand is huge and always growing. New businesses need logos, YouTubers need thumbnails, job seekers need resumes. Canva makes design easy for anyone, and ChatGPT helps you write and brainstorm. By combining these tools, you can create high-quality work fast. Your secret weapon for taking on more clients or building a digital product library. This is one of the most accessible, beginner-friendly side hustles out there. Ready to see how it works? First, decide what digital service you'll offer. Start with one simple, in-demand skill. Focus on something you can create almost entirely in Canva, with ChatGPT for the text. Social media graphics are a great option. Businesses always need Instagram or Facebook posts, or try YouTube thumbnails, resume designs, or Instagram carousels. Use ChatGPT to generate content, then design it in Canva. eBooks, business cards, digital planners, and invitations are also popular. Browse Fiverr and Etsy to see what's selling and where demand is high. Don't worry about competition, it proves there's a market. Pick something you find interesting, so you'll enjoy the process. Once you've chosen, you're ready to set up shop. Now let's build your digital storefront, your gig on Fiverr or Etsy. Your gig title and description are crucial. Use ChatGPT to craft catchy, SEO-friendly titles. Don't settle for, "I will design social media posts." Make it specific and appealing. Next, create eye-catching gig images in Canva. Show off your best work, thumbnails, resumes, or templates. Your gig image is what gets you clicks, so make it shine. Set up tiered pricing. Basic, standard, premium. Offer more value at higher tiers. Start with competitive pricing to attract your first clients and build reviews. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can raise your prices. Remember, your listing is your first impression. Make it count. Use Canva and ChatGPT to make your gig stand out. Once your gig is live, you're open for business. Now let's talk about fulfilling orders. Ready to deliver? Your first order is in. Congrats! Now deliver quality work fast. Read the client's requirements carefully. If anything's unclear, ask for details. Use ChatGPT to generate content, like quotes or captions, then design in Canva. Customize templates with the client's branding and text. Deliver the finished files through the platform and send a friendly message. Ask for a review if they're happy. Once accepted, your payment is processed, usually within 2 weeks. That's the full cycle: order, create, deliver, get paid. Get. Want to level up? Turn your skills into passive income by selling digital products. Use Canva and ChatGPT to create templates, planners, or guides. List them on Etsy or Gumroad. Create once, sell endlessly. For example, design a bundle of Instagram templates and a bonus guide with ChatGPT. Package, list, and let the platform handle delivery. You earn money while you sleep. Your job becomes marketing and occasional customer service. Build more products and you'll have multiple streams of income. That's how you scale from side hustle to real wealth. Here's your action plan to hit $500/month. Break it down. 25 gigs at $20 or 50 digital product sales at $10 each. Start with free tools: Canva, ChatGPT, Fiverr, Etsy, and PayPal. Create versatile templates in Canva to speed up your workflow. Use ChatGPT for SEO-rich titles and descriptions. This helps customers find you. Offer fast delivery. 24-hour turnaround is a big selling point. Promote your gig on social media and tell your network. The most important step: start now. Don't wait for perfect. Just launch your first gig. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the opportunity. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. Ready to make your first $500 online? Let's go.